Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2019 Chevy Equinox LT two-wheel drive with 99,000 miles. A really nice mid-size SUV, lots of great options and technology features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of them to you. So this Equinox is a one owner with a clean Carfax report. So no accident history whatsoever, no negative history. Really nice exterior, black finish. No rust or corrosion. No dents, dings, or scratches. It's got the newer body style. Backup camera, parking sensors, and really lots of safety features as well included with this LT package. Here's a quick look at the driver's side. You can see the interior is really almost brand new. The upholstery looks like it's barely been sat in. No stains, no rips or tears. It's got the nice touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Heated seats. Lots of safety features like lane departure, collision avoidance, power driver seat. Very nice interior. So a quick shot of the second row. Equally as clean. Headliner's in great condition. Got rear AC and USB inputs as well for charging any devices. Comes with the original mats. No smoky smell or pet odor whatsoever. Here's the cargo space. Of course, that second row will fold down, giving you some additional space. Plenty of storage underneath, along with the spare tire and jack below this compartment here. Upholstery here on the passenger side, also extremely clean. It's got the original books and manuals. Very nice mid-size SUV overall. There's a quick view under the hood. You can see overall it's nice and clean. No rust or corrosion under here either. 1.5 liter, 4-cylinder, runs nice and smooth. Plenty of power with the turbo. Definitely well maintained. The Equinox also has a full set of Primewell tires, almost brand new, probably about 80 to 90% left on the tread on all four tires, nice and smooth on the road. And then they're mounted to these 17-inch alloy wheels, which are also in excellent condition. No rust, no corrosion, no curb rash. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2019 Chevy Equinox LT with 99,000 miles. As we mentioned, this is a one owner with a clean Carfax report. You can check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where we'll have this vehicle posted along with the rest of our inventory. And then you can also check out our Instagram and Facebook pages where we update our inventory regularly. Have a great day.